Hello crafty friends, Amanda here with Crafting with Amanda, and today's layout is Groundhog Day, and Groundhog Day you repeat itself, the Bill Murray movie. So I'm taking those 2-page layout that you saw with the Halloween pumpkin carving, and I'm going to scrap lift my own layout this year, and I'm using the papers from, I think it's These Are My People and Hello Celebration. And so I gathered some things that went with the photos, and this is a card front stencil that had the word hello, hi, and all different fonts on it. So I thought that would be perfect. So I'm getting rid of any of the pink papers. They're just not going to really work for me. Maybe as accents, but not as general papers. Because the photos that went by so quickly, I apologize for that, were of our little redheaded guy meeting our good friend, little redheaded guy. They're about a year apart in age. And so I just thought that these greens and orange and blues just really work well, and you'll be able to see all the red hair that's just oozing out of these children. So here we have my guy kind of on the left, you know, checking things out, what's going on. This is the first time that not only has he met AJ, but also really another human that's kind of his size. So this is my rough layout. I kind of like to dry fit things, and then I'm using my pencil to determine which areas I want to do that stenciling in the background. On the original layout there was some stars with texture paste with stencils in the background, so I wanted to honor that. And I'm gonna take out the nectarine, bluebird, and avocado ink pads, and I'm just gonna mix and match them right here over top of the stencils. And it's gonna be a fun little color addition that's gonna, in the background, it's kind of like mixed media where you have the splashes of things or the pools of paint that come down, but this is just going to be words through stencils, easy cleanup, easy to do. I haven't failed with this one yet. Some of the other mixed media things I need a lot of practice on. Also, if you haven't seen those blue sheets there that are just kind of small, are cut up shop towels. Shop towels are less, they give off less fibers when you use them, so I tend to like to use them with especially cleaning stamps or having under my fingers. So I always go and get the roll. I pay them money for it because they are more expensive than just even the high-end paper towels, but I cut them down into, like, I would say 2.5 by 3 inch, maybe. I just cut them in thirds, so I get 9 little pieces out of each sheet, and I have serrated scissors and I can get multiple cuts at each time. So that's what I do, and then they just work great for cleaning up little messes, and even sometimes big messes. You just use multiples of them, but they're easy to handle, and I just have them in a little plastic square, kind of one of those desk organizer, drawer organizers. I just have them stood up in there in one of my drawers, and they're easy to pull out. Again, just continuing to do more of the stenciling, and you can see from the original layout that I'm scrap lifting kind of the direction that we're going. And it was really a lot of fun to just have those 3 colors, and it almost gave the same feel of random stamping. And if you haven't done random stamping, I highly recommend it. Find stamps that you love, that bring you great joy, and just have fun with them, with different colors that bring you joy. Even if you're new at it and you mess up, as they say, at least it's going to be images that you really like. So that's my tip for the day. So here I'm going to go back and dry fit all of the pieces, and I don't end up making the embellishments along the orange strip on the right hand page. I had so many photos that I didn't feel like I could do something like that and have it be a balanced layout, but I'm enjoying where the hi hellos are, how that's coming across, and for me it's hard to see on the screen. On the right hand at the top there is a little hello peeking out from below the photo matting up there. My voice is a little rough. We're having allergies. It's kind of early spring in Southern California, and not being out here, not even 3 years yet, my body is not used to all the new plants and pollens that come out, and since dust just lives in the air out here, what's a girl to do? So here I'm pulling the stamp sets from the VIP Hip Hip Hooray kit, and it has hello and happy, and then I went back to do some stash dive, and these are compliments from a long time ago. They're called Inspire, and I saw the word grow in the images on the front, and then I just, you know, dream is in my hand, and it just made sense. Grow and dream. You know, they're both little boys, and they have a life ahead of them, and we know that they're going to be spending time together, so hopefully they grow and dream, and even if they don't love each other in the sense of they're exactly the same, they can appreciate each other just like we can appreciate, you know, our siblings for the good that they have. And then I love this little kind of, you know, it's like a word caption balloon, but it has a little face on it, and I just thought it worked great here with these photos. So now I'm just going to start adhering down some of these embellishments, and I need the ampersand that was on the sticker sheet. And I know many people take the stickiness off the sticker so that they can figure out where to lay it down. I don't know, my practical nature is like, it's already stickered, why do I need to, and it's gonna be a full sticker, and so I tend to hold it on my fingers until I find my happy place for it. So we have those glued down. I'm going to pop dot this little smiley word bubble icon. I really like that. And the colors in this, I think I've said it once, are avocado, bluebell, and Carolina, nectarine, and then there's the white daisy. And I did rough up, I know I didn't mention it, but I don't know if you see, I took my edge distresser and roughed up not only the photo edges but also the mats and all of the papers that are on this layout. And here we go, I'm bringing in some of that pink that was on the Hip Hip Hooray, I think You Are My People, with the bright colors. That sticker sheet had some of the hearts, and it had the camera with the heart, and then this is from, I want to say, Zoe, the first time that it came out, not the Bring Back My Paper pack, but the first time. And so I have all these foam, oh, I can't think of what they're called, but they're puffy stickers, and so I'm adding some of those. And then just to finish it out on my 3 little embellishment spots, I'm adding these enamel dots. I did my journaling just basically talking about that AJ and Nate got to meet each other for the first time at the farmhouse, and Nate was truly in awe of this human that was his size, so it was a lot of fun. Hope you guys have a great day. Here's some close lookouts of the layout so you can see where all those edges are distressed. If you have subscribed to my channel, I truly appreciate you. That's great. We just crossed the 800 mark. Yay! Here's another video. You could be interested in it, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.